Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to talk about my hometown. When you will participate in the IELTS exam, an examiner will ask you about this question, where is your hometown? In this way, you will answer this question. Answer. I'm originally from Dimna, a small yet a very vibrant town in the Nilphamari district of Bangladesh. One of the most remarkable features of my town is the Tista River which follows nearby and adds natural beauty to the area. The surroundings are full of greenery and calm environment, making it peaceful and refreshing place to live. Growing up there has given me a treasure trove memories that I cherish deeply. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.